That's why when you just think because kawan cuba, you also cuba, okay, you might die. There have been a lot of youth who have been affected like that.
And what struck me is that first mental problems and pornography.
This is the elephant in the room that nobody wants to talk about. Why? Stigma.
What can we do as university students and the youth to help make us on this topic?
So when you go in fresh, you feel like, okay, I can fight this. So you must keep that as a young person. Keep fighting for a good cause.
Rakyat Muda!